Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android. So it's quite easy. You don't need to have a third-party apps to block all ads on your Android device. All you need to do is go to your system settings and go ahead and tap on the search box and try to type here private DNS. So for example, this one, I will tap private DNS and tap search, and you can see the private DNS right here. So you just tap on that option and you have three options of auto or private DNS provider host name. So tap this private DNS provider host name and then enter here the host name of DNS provider. So right here on the box, type right here DNS.adguard.com and then tap on the save button. So finally, all the ads have been blocked on your Android device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.